Bob, do me a favor, stay right there because I want to talk to you about the sex crimes trial that got underway with Harvey Weinstein. Week 1 came to a close today, and Friday kicked off with a heated courtroom exchange between the judge and a member of Weinstein's legal team. The attorney filed a motion suggesting potential jurors are unable to speak freely in the screening process given the media attention surrounding the case. Judge James Burke denied the motion, saying it's against the law for each person to be interviewed in private. All right, so Bob, I think this goes back to what happened earlier in the week where the judge reprimanded Weinstein for his cell phone, but he made a comment that I thought was really egregious and unprofessional, saying, now, what do you want to spend the rest of your life in jail for the cell phone? Like, it seemed aggressive. What do you think?
Trials are about fairness. The media attention makes one wonder whether there can be fairness. And I mean that for the defendant or the victims in the case. When I try cases, and in normal cases, the judges try to keep the media at bay, try to keep the jurors away from the defendants in the case and the witnesses in the case. What this judge did by rebuking him, knowing all that press was in that room, was create yet another media frenzy in my mind, which may result in if there's a guilty verdict, in some application for a reversal. Not to mention, I have to add this, Bill, that L.A. indicts the guy and does a Weinstein and does a press conference the day that jury selection is commencing. Come on, guys. We have to believe in fair trials, regardless of what side of this you're on.
So can he get a fair trial?
When these jurors are going past people protesting outside, with news media inside the courtroom, their identities are going to be known. It makes it very difficult for them to be able to make a fair and impartial decision, and it is the judge's responsibility to ensure that doesn't happen. And all that judge has done so far is exacerbate the problem.
All right. Thanks, Bob.